In this recording, I am going to show you how to use Sage for the purpose of finding and looking up a customer and seeing either what products they've ordered in the past, a specific product, looking at specific customers, and things like that. So what we will do is we will go to Sage down here at the bottom. And let me get out of this because you're going to want to see what it looks like when you open it up, because that's also important. So we're going to open up Sage, and in order to look at all of the line items a customer has ordered, it'll show you the dollar amount, all of that. What we're going to do, you can either type it up here. It's going to be invoice lines. But for me, I have mine right here. So I'm going to go here. You'll just press enter and click on it. Mine is already saved for me, but you will probably have to alter this. So what you do is, it depends on what you're looking for. So this is going to search our databases for whatever you put in these fields. So right now we want to look at customer, so it's actually under cust. That's how it is sorted in our table, so that's where it needs to be pulling from in order to get the most accurate information. So say we want to look at a customer and all of his order history. So you're going to put customer there in the columns, which will make it show up here. And if we were to do customer, see, that's this field, so that's the ABS greenhouse. Right now we want to search by their number. So cust contains, and then here is where you type in the customer number. So we're going to do a customer that has done business with us for a very long time. So type their customer number right in here. And another thing to note is the customer number is the state number and then the last 4 digits of their phone number. And do keep in mind too, the thought process with this is it kind of acts like filters. So with our millions of rows of data in our database, what this is doing is kind of using almost an Excel filter, but using the column and IDs that we have in our database. That's how we're able to search this massive amount of data to pull back what we want. So here we're going to click the refresh button instead of the enter button. You need to click that refresh button, and you'll see all this data pulls up. It shows their invoice date. So you'll see each line item by the invoice date. And what you do, if you double click on here, that will sort the columns for you. So you'll want to sort by date and things like that, so you'll click there. And let's say we want to figure out all of the times this customer has ordered, let's say item, we're going to do item, a certain item that we have. So how we do this is we're going to put item, that's the identifier in the column, and then we want to say is equal to, let's look up this one right here, okay? So 1843 S-14. Once again, we click this refresh button here. So that's going to tell us anytime this customer, Musselman, ordered this item right here. So this is the first time they've ordered this item. Good to know. Let me just try one more here. So this is another item. This is actually one of his favorite items, so this is where it's kind of cool. So I can look up the item and it will say all of the different dates. Let's filter this again because I want to see it in descending order. So all of the years that he has ordered this item, and it shows us our quantity here, which is really great, and the price he's paid, so you can kind of see how it's increased at a certain time, maybe that shipment that we got in cost us more, so therefore we had to raise the price. So you can kind of see the trending in the prices, but you can also see the last time that he bought, he paid the cheapest that he's ever paid for this item. And then it shows how much he ordered, quantity-wise, right here. So Invoice Lines is a really great tool for lots of different things. As you can see, there's lots of different ways that we can look through here and to find different things, and I'll go into each of those kind of in different videos.